Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Associate Professor Cheng Yi Ting, the Department Chair of Information Management right here at Tunghai University. I am so thrilled you decided to tune into this explainer today. You know, as prospective students, and parents too, you're gearing up to make one of the most exciting and honestly biggest decisions of your life. So my goal today is just to take you on a little journey through our program. I really want to show you exactly what makes Tunghai Information Management so incredibly unique, totally forward-thinking, and absolutely ready to shape your future. Let's just jump right in, shall we?
Okay, let's dive into this, because this is, without a doubt, the #1 question I get from high schoolers. What exactly do you learn in information management? Well, a lot of folks have this lingering idea that going into an IT field means you're just going to be sitting alone in a dark room, staring at a screen, typing away lines of code all day long, completely isolated from the world. Let me just pause right there and assure you that is a total myth. What we actually do here is so much more vibrant, incredibly collaborative, and really deeply impactful to the real world. To really wrap your head around our major, you kind of need to see it as the perfect marriage of two totally distinct worlds. On one side, you've got information technology. Now, this is where you're going to learn those hard technical skills, right? Programming, networking, databases, and of course, AI. Think of this as the engine. It takes massive amounts of raw data and turns it into actual, usable insights. Then, on the other side, we have management science. This is all about bringing in business administration, accounting, and marketing to actually guide a company's strategy. So it's this amazing, dynamic fusion. You aren't just learning how to build the tech, you're gaining the business wisdom you need to actually drive innovation and grow an enterprise.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where we sit in both the academic and professional landscape. It's like a giant puzzle. If you look at pure computer science, it's heavily focused on the underlying technical logic and software development, which is great, but it often misses the commercial application piece. Then, if you look at business administration, they are amazing at organizational management and corporate strategy, but they usually lack the AI and systems engineering skills to build the tools. Right there in the glowing center, that's information management. We are the critical bridge. We connect the pure tech and the business strategy, creating these incredible cross-disciplinary rock stars who have both a high-tech vision and a super sharp administrative mindset.
And you know, this brings me to a really profound truth, something I hear constantly when I talk to industry leaders and CEOs. Honestly, enterprises don't just need pure tech anymore. They are absolutely desperate for talent that can integrate that tech. The industry is actively, hungrily searching for integrators. Look, almost anyone can be taught to write a line of code, but the real, truly irreplaceable power, that lies in knowing why you're writing it, how it fits into the broader market, and how it actually solves a genuine business problem. We aren't just training isolated programmers here. We are literally training the innovative leaders of tomorrow's digital economy.
So the big question, how do we actually equip you with that superpower? Well, we do it through a curriculum that is absolutely on the cutting edge of global trends. Inside our classrooms, you are going to master AI and innovation. We're getting totally hands-on with Python programming and application development. We dive deep into generative AI applications, which, as we all know, is the exact technology reshaping the world as we speak. You'll also get to explore AI MarTech, which is how we use AI to predict what consumers want and drive marketing, right alongside serious commercial database management and big data financial analysis. Basically, we are handing you the exact tools that modern, data-driven economies run on.
So the crucial point is, mastering all this theory in the classroom, that's really only half the journey. Our philosophy is that you absolutely must learn by doing. Our students are out there solving real, hands-on industry problems through practical projects. I mean, just look at some of the things they've achieved. They've worked on building a full foot health ecosystem using data for the well-known shoe brand ASO. They built specialized data analysis platforms targeted directly at understanding Gen Z behaviors. They've even explored interpersonal models using advanced facial recognition tech and set up business intelligence systems to visualize complex ERP data for manufacturing plants. This right here, this is what it actually means to turn information into real-world innovation. Let's move to and see how this builds your perspective way beyond our borders. Because your journey at Tunghai IM definitely does not stop at our campus gates. We actively push you to expand your horizons through some truly incredible global exchange and internship programs. We're talking about exchange programs at Manchester University over in the UK, competing and actually winning gold medals at international invention exhibitions in places like London and Geneva, or even doing professional workplace internships in Italy. Seriously, from North America to Europe and all across Asia, we have the connections to make sure you step out into the world, gain those big global insights, and bring that invaluable experience right back into your career.
Now, as much as we focus so intensely on your academic and your global success, we really deeply care about your everyday life and your comfort here too. Tunghai University is going to be your home away from home, and we want you to love living here just as much as you love learning here. So I want to warmly invite you and your parents to step onto our beautiful campus and just see it for yourself during our 2026 Dormitory Open House. It's happening on May 16th and 17th. Please come walk through our facilities, see the dorm rooms firsthand, meet our wonderful community, and really just experience the safe, supportive, and super welcoming environment that we pride ourselves on. When you join our department, you are truly joining a family that is entirely dedicated to your personal and professional growth. So I strongly encourage you right now, go ahead, pull out your smartphone and scan the QR codes right here on the screen. That'll take you straight to our prospective high school student zone and our official department website. All the resources, the curriculum details, the contacts, everything you need to make this life-changing decision is right there waiting for you.
You know, we are standing right at the threshold of a completely new era. The golden age of AI and cross-disciplinary integration, it isn't coming, it's already here, and it is transforming literally every single industry on the planet. So the only question left to ask yourself is, are you ready to build the bridge with us? We've got the tools, we have the vision, and we have the passion to help you become the innovative leader that the future desperately needs. Once again, I'm Department Chair Chang Yi-Ting. Thank you so much for exploring Tunghai Information Management with me in this explainer today. I absolutely can't wait to see you on campus.